Okay, y'all, here we are, page 15. Update the screen to show who the current player is. If you go back to that first page and play the game, it's like when you hit it, like it would light up which player's turn it was. It would highlight behind it. So notice in the design, there are two gray rectangles. Oh yeah, right. Player highlight, player one highlight, there it is, and player two. There's like a couple things stacked on each other. Okay. Add code to the if statement and switch players to check the current player. Use the hide element and show element commands found in the UI control box to show and hide these rectangles. For example, if it's player one's turn, then show player one highlight and player two highlight. When you're done, you should see the player highlight alternate. Okay, so this is not too hard. This is actually a pretty easy page. All you're going to do is go to the check player. And if it's current player one, we need to change the color, right? So I'm going to find show element, and it is player one highlight. Where is it? Aha, gotcha. And then I want to hide player two highlight. All right. And then I'm like, okay, I'm going to do the same thing for this one, but I'm going to make it opposite. We're going to show player two highlight, and then hide player one highlight. And this is just the gray box behind it. So let's see if this works. Correct one is button 4. All right, current player is 2. Uh-oh, did not work. Oh, I have it reversed. So like this is why the console log is important. The current player is 1, but look, I have player 2. So you know what I did? I switched these. So I'm going to take these two down here and these two up here. Now, yeah. So what's happening is it needs to match this variable. Got it. Now let's try it. Current player is 1, and that is highlight. Okay. Current player, let's see if I click it. Current player is 2, and now that one's highlighted. And it just takes turns. And it tells me if it's wrong or anything else. So I just went to my switch player function, and I essentially just I showed the highlight for player 2, and then I hit the player 1. And then if it switches over to current player 1, I show the player 1 highlight and hide the player 2 highlight. So essentially the highlight is just a gray box behind these things. All right, we're getting close on this whole thing. The biggest thing we have to do left now is make it where we're keeping score. And I think we've got it. All right, almost done, people.